Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how I made 30,000 US dollars from writing in 30 days. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. You can make more money online than you think. When I first started writing articles, it was hard to get people to read them. Even though I wrote for several hours every day, not many people read what I wrote. But I made a lot of money online when I used a few unconventional strategies. To be exact, I made 30,000 US dollars in 1 month. This is what I did. I built strong relationships with people who are influential on social media. Contrary to what most people think, you don't have to write a great article for it to go viral. Grammar doesn't matter, nor does how well you write matter. The only way for a piece of writing to go viral is if it gets a lot of views. And if you know people with a lot of followers on social media, it's easy to get people to read a new article. I know that because I've been there. One of my articles was recently shared by a friend with 3.2 million followers. It got over 22,000 views in just a few hours. How to put this plan into action. Talk to influential people for 6 hours a day. You can make connections on social media sites like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and others. Make strong connections with people. And eventually, you will find someone who will help you spread the word about your work. I started working as a ghostwriter for famous authors. A lot of writers who tell you they make money writing online are lying. They don't spend hours coming up with ideas for new articles. No. They also don't plan their days to be as productive as possible. So how do I know this? I write everything they post. As a professional ghostwriter, I wrote 94.7% of the internet's most popular articles. Every morning, I get up at 5 a.m., drink cups of coffee, and write until my fingers bleed. Even though that daily routine is boring and tiring, it brings in a lot of money, by the way. How to put this plan into action? Charge less than I do to write content for well-known content creators as a ghostwriter. Work hard, think things through, and as often as you can. During a time when the economy is bad, this is the only way to be successful. Ryan Holiday said, most successful people are people you've never heard of. That's what they want. It helps them stay awake. It makes their jobs easier. He is correct, because most likely you've never heard of me, but I'm very successful because I write articles under other people's names for the most popular writers on Medium. I want it to stay that way because I don't want to be famous. So you can also make 30,000 US dollars a month by writing for famous people and making friends with people who have a lot of followers on social media. And once you start using these strategies, it won't be long before your writing career starts to go into a better direction. So why don't you just do it now? Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to also like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.